If there's one thing for us to learn from 2020, is that we do not take our health seriously. I've been working out consistently for the past 4 years, and although I have drastically switched my diet, there are still some aspects about my health that, quite frankly, I have not taken care of. And this app called Yuka will help resolve some of those issues. So Yuka is a food and cosmetic scanner app. When you first launch the app, after you create a free account, you will get a list of some items that you can immediately view on a list, and it will give you 20 items for each particular category. If you want to see the expanded list, all you need to do is share the app with a friend, or you can share the app with yourself, and then you will be able to unlock the entire list. But the key feature of this app is allowing users to scan their products. Whenever you scan a product, it will tell you how healthy that product is for you. And I have to be honest that a lot of the staples that I've used growing up are not that healthy. You can see what makes this particular type of food not healthy for you, and it goes into really good details about how much sodium is in a product and how much preservatives and hormones and everything that you can ask for this app. And I think that it's a fantastic app. I really recommend it to everyone. And I believe if you take the app for a spin, you will be just as surprised as I am at the amount of unhealthy products we consume on a daily basis. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and consider subscribing. Thank you all for the engagement. It really helps the channel out. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.